work on our long division foldable. So you need to get out this handout that I gave you on Friday, and we're going to work on it together. So let's look at our first problem. It says 859 divided by 6. This first number is our dividend, and the second number is our divisor. So we're going to go ahead and work out this problem together. So on your paper, I need you to write 859 divided by 6. So if you're working from home, you'll just do this on your own, and if you're working here with me in class, you'll just go ahead and do this now. 859 divided by 6. Okay, our first step is to divide. So I have to ask myself, how many times will 6 go into 8? Class, how many times will 6 go into 8? Once. Good. So I'm going to put my 1 up at the top. And then I'm going to multiply. 1 times 6 is 6. And I will subtract. 8 minus 6 is what? 2. Bring it on down. Bring down my next number. And bring it on back. Now, divide. 6 will go into 25 how many times? What is the closest number that I can multiply without going over? Caden? 4. Good. What is 6 times 4? Good. So I'm going to put my 4 at the top. And then I multiply. 4 times 6 is 24. And then I'll subtract. 25 minus 24 is 1. Good. Bring it on down. I bring down my next number and my dividend. And bring it on back. Now, what is the number I'm going to multiply 6 by to get closest to 19, Carson? Well, that's my answer, but what do I multiply 6 by to get 18? 3. Good. So I put 3 at the top. Multiply. 6 times 3 is 18, and my remainder is 1. So my answer to this problem is 143 with a remainder of 1. For now, I just want you to write remainder of 1. We're going to learn later how to make this into a fraction. But right now, just go ahead and write R1, remainder of 1. So this is my answer, 143 with a remainder of 1. Okay, let's look at the next problem. 745 divided by 7. So the first number is my dividend. It always goes under the doghouse. So 745 divided by 7. Go ahead and write that down now. 745 divided by 7. So now we're going to start dividing. We're going to do one digit at a time. How many times will 7 go into 7? Carson? Once. Good. So I put my 1 at the top. And then I multiply. 1 times 7 is 7. Now, this kind of confuses people every year. What is 7 minus 7? 0. But can I stop right here, or do I have to keep going? I have to keep going because I still have 2 more numbers in my dividend. So the next thing I have to do is bring it on down. Okay, now this gets confusing. Will 7 go into 4? No. So what do I have to put at the top? A 0. Good. I have to put that 0. I cannot just stop. Now, I have to multiply out that 0. 0 times 7 is 0. Good. Subtract. Bring it on down. And bring it on back. Now I have 45 and 7. What am I multiplying 7 by to get as close to 45 as I can, Lindy? Okay, 7 times 7 is what? 49. Is that going to work? No, it's 1 more over. So what am I going to do, Caden? Very good. I'm going to multiply 7 times 6. So 7 times 6 is 42. Subtract. What is 45 minus 42? 3. Good. So my answer is 106 with a remainder of 3.